Hi guys, I'm just showing you some of the spring latest collection. Okay, so this is one of the wallets. This is so nice. I really like it. I really like the print. The flowers is so cute. Okay, so they have a zip compartment at the back like that, and then when you open it, it's like this. Ta-da! And you have the card slots here. Okay, card slots, note slots. This is, yeah, very practical, so you can put your coins at the back here. Okay, and then you have, of course, you have the wristlet. So they have like this printed wristlet. So one is in black, one is in white. Okay, so this one, the zip is in silver. This one is in gold. Okay, yeah, and of course this inside compartment is the same. You can have card slots there, and it's like that.